my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. French cuisine is a burst of flavor. I just love it. Wait a second. Is there anything to do with the fact I'm French? Anyway, when it comes to duck, I have a list of gorgeous recipes like roast duck with marmalade glaze, duck breast with blood orange sauce, even duck fat roasted potatoes. Now, let's add another one to the list. In today's episode, I'll show you how to make my Canard aux Montmorency. You wonder what that is, right? It's a nice seared duck breast served along with a beautiful cherry sauce. It's very elegant and perfect to serve for any special occasion. So my friends, let's get cooking.
After sitting on a counter for roughly 30 minutes, we'll gently pat dry the duck breast using paper towels. Then we'll score the skin in a crisscross pattern with a really sharp knife, being careful not to cut into the meat. Scoring the skin helps to render down the fat faster, resulting in a nice crispy skin. Next, we'll season generously on the skin side with ground sea salt and freshly ground black pepper, and lightly on the meat side of the breast. Now, let's move on to the stove. We'll start by placing them skin side down in a cold pan for two reasons. By cooking the breast slow, it gives us more time to the fat to render, which in return, it makes the meat nice and juicy. When they're all in, we'll then set the heat to medium-high and cook for 6 to 7 minutes or until the skins are nicely brown. We'll flip them. See this? That's exactly what I'm talking about. And transfer them immediately to a 350-degree preheated oven. We'll cook them for about 10 to 12 minutes or until the internal temperature reaches 140 degrees Fahrenheit. During that time, we'll warm up the cognac on medium-low in a small saucepan. About 5 minutes before the duck breasts are done, we'll add cherries to a small bowl. The kind I use is Bing. I love them. And pour in dry red wine. We'll gently stir to coat and let them macerate until we make the sauce. Back to the oven. When time is up, we'll remove the duck breasts from the heat, ignite the warm cognac, and pour it over the breast. Beautiful. We'll transfer them to warm plates while we quickly make the sauce. First, we'll skin off the fat using a spoon. And no, don't throw it. It's liquid gold. It's so delicious. Transfer it to an airtight container and keep it for other recipes. We should end up with about 1 to 1.5 tablespoons in the pan. We'll now pour in only the liquid from the cherries using a sieve and put them back in the bowl. We'll turn the heat to high and add cherry simple syrup, which was the tips and tricks of this month. So to get the recipe, click on the top right corner of your screen. We'll also add some dried thyme leaves, which will give a lovely taste to the sauce. We'll whisk the ingredients well and cook until the liquid has reduced by half, scraping the bottom of the pan to dislodge any brown bits. When half the liquid is gone, we'll add the cherries plus some cherry brandy, which will intensify the flavor. We'll quickly stir the ingredients, and when the sauce starts boiling again, we'll pour in our cornstarch mixture. We'll stir again until the sauce thickens, about 40 seconds. See? Just like this. We'll spoon the sauce over the breast, garnish with the cherries, and serve along with rice or potatoes. And my friends, this is our Canard aux Montmorency. Elegant, delicious, and colorful, this is the perfect dish to serve for special occasions. It's easy to make and another flavorful duck recipe to add to the list. While Bing cherries are in season, I highly recommend this incredible French dish. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!